Hi kids, let's row our boat. Yes, a fun boat ride with Peppy Animals. Come along.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a team. Row, row, row your boat gently side by side. Sing along and laugh with me on this joyful ride. Nicky! Never naman! Row, row, row your boat. See a little duck. Quack, 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 she waves hello, wishing you good luck. Row, row, row your boat gently down the Nile. If you see a crocodile, give a little smile. Peppy! Got it on a now! Row, row, row your boat on the ocean blue. Waves are splashing all around, adventure waits for you. Row, row, row your boat slowly back to shore. Close your eyes and drift to sleep, dreams will bring you more.
Hello friends, thanks for watching.
Peppy Animals, let's sing and play and learn it all. Animals.
If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe and comment a heart.